Hello everyone, this is Tay with Pixel Pro Audio. Please hit subscribe and click like if you want to see more content like this. We've got iPhone versus Android. We recently recorded a vidcast on a boat where we tested a bunch of microphones in windy conditions out on the water. Go check that out. It was Unfiltered episode number 49. During the episode, we used Jay's iPhone 10 versus my Galaxy Note 8. iPhone versus Android. Which one sounds better? Here's the audio.
Okay, so we kind of wanted to show the audio just from the iPhone 10. So this is just the iPhone 10. The wind has died down a little bit here right now. So a little bit. This is as low as I think it's been.
It's picking up now.
It's picking up now.
You can't say anything, it'll hear you.
Jinx
So you guys, what do you got to say?
I think when I get my Android set up in a minute here, it's going to sound way better.
You guys
Yeah. But anyway, so the audio and the video on the iPhone 10 is pretty great. So this is kind of what you can do with just that.
Let's see how it is on the Android.
All right, so we switched to Android. This is the S8 Note. So here, the wind is picked up a little bit, but we got everyone in the shot here.
Come on in your camera. Let's get the camera.
Everybody, yeah. Oh yeah, here we go. So Android, does it sound better than an iPhone? You be the judge.
I bet. Okay, let's bet. No.
I bet it does.
No.
We got. You guys got a tie break for us. 2 against 2.
All right, vote. Which sounds better?
Which is better?
Oh wow!
Savage.
Absolutes.
We're gonna start an argument.
Which one sounded better? Vote now in the comments below. Don't forget to hit subscribe and click like if you want to see more content like this. Hey guys, don't tell Jay, but I'm going to add now some extra footage I took with my Galaxy Note 8. In this clip, we're cruising through the water at high speeds, and I have my camera pointed at Jay the whole time. I think it shows what the Galaxy can do in these conditions. Check it out. And sorry, Apple users, I don't have any extra footage of the iPhone to show you. Thanks, guys. We'll see you around the drum next time. We got Jay back there. I got my camera on him. He's got a lav on, the F1, and then we got the Stealths. Yep. So let's kick it.
Ooh,
Let's go.
snazzy.
Ready?
Yep.
Action. Here we go.
Oh goodness.
Ready? Everybody hold on to your stuff, because I'm just going to give it.
All right. We're just giving her, bud.
Actually, we're at 6 inches
My
of
phone.
water.
We're trying to cover up some of the equipment here so that it gets splashed. But we're doing a pretty good job. I think Jay over there is trying to cover up his lavalier mics. Some kind of warning button. All oil. This is not good. We stranded out. All right. So how fast are we going, Jay? How fast?
What?
Yeah. Oh, he can't hear us. That's not the perfect time to talk about it. 20 miles an hour. This is brutal.
So
back
many mics.
soaked.
Like I got.
Yeah, we just cover up here. Oh.
Here we go. Okay, now we're not heading
The
into
drum
wind
is
anymore.
getting.
All right, so we're not in the wind anymore. We're actually going with the wind.
Yeah.
So
It's actually calm now.
yeah,
The wind is going about 18.
it's actually
Oh,
pretty
that
calm.
sound decent. Whoa.
Can we stop and I can put more sunscreen on?
Yeah.
Feel a little burnt.
Slow it down a little bit now.
All right,
Yeah.
Jay,
Jay says we're slowing down a little
he
bit.
says we're slowing down. He's a little
Whoa,
worried.
whoa.
I think we're just in our own waves.
Yeah.
You think I've never been on a boat before?
What?
Get nervous.
No, this is fun. I love
No,
this
I'm
stuff.
getting a little nervous.